Good morning. It is day 2 and we are at the French Quarter Lounge this morning. They have a little happy hour where you can get beignets and coffee, so that's what I'm doing. And then I think we're just gonna lounge around the ship. We are at Catalina Island today, so I don't think we're gonna be getting off because we live pretty close, but we'll probably just check out the ship a little bit. So let's go get started on this day.
Forward and just feeling the stress. Think about a massage right now. If you're interested in finding out what's available, welcome to Catalina Island.
I love the little designs that they do. Oh, so cute and so delicious. Got some beignets to take back to the room. So we're at the French Quarter Lounge having some coffee, and they have coloring time, so that's what we're gonna do next. Gonna color now? Okay. Absolutely beautiful view this morning of Catalina. Just beautiful. They've got a shuffleboard out here. We're on deck 4. Yeah, a shuffleboard. We found another duck. Show mommy.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. It's a zebra duck. Down here on deck 4, we are right near Walt Disney Theater. And they have the shops over here. We're just kind of hanging out, walking around, looking for ducks. Yeah. And here's the hours for Mickey's Main Sale. That's the regular shop here. So when you are at port, they don't open till later in the evening usually. So this one here and the other one, White Caps. And then here's the hours for White Caps too. And this is the Preludes bar. This is open later on as well. And then we've got the Walt Disney Theater. They're doing a little bit of construction behind us, but this view is amazing. We're just looking at the view, walking around, seeing how far this deck wraps around. These are open portholes. Beautiful. I'm just walking around. I think this might be the running track. I'm not sure. We're on deck 4. And I'm not sure, it's not like a track, it's just wood. So I'm not really sure if this is considered the running track. Yeah, see, jogging direction. So yeah, this is the running track. Down here on deck 4. So there's lots of open portholes here for air circulation. Pretty warm over here. Cooler over on the open ends of the deck, but yeah, it wraps around. And you've got more open portholes over here. That's awesome. Is it a dead end?
No, they're doing maintenance over there.
So right now they're doing maintenance over that way, so it's currently not a full loop for jogging. Wow, that's beautiful. There's some artwork on the wall. Looks like you can buy it too. Pluto for $395. It's for you. You like that? Oh. Wow. Beautiful work. Look at this one, the Lion King. Wow. Very pretty. Beautiful, quiet morning. A lot of people have gotten off, I believe. So it's pretty quiet right now. Now we're heading back to the room to go do some fish extenders, and then we're gonna go to the pool and have lunch. Oh, what did you get? Is that pixie dust? Oh, wow.
It's
awesome.
Mike Wazowski.
That is really cool. Time to deliver some fish extenders. Lots of cute doors. Now we're just looking for the right room to drop off the gifts. There it is. Oh, fabulous. Now you're fine. Okay, so we're at 6147, so now we're gonna drop off the goodies. We're just gonna leave them down here. Perfect. Oops, you gonna set that down below on the ground? Perfect, thank you, Lily. Well, these are some steep stairs. Okay, now on our last stop, 2604. I see a fish extender right here. 2604. Is that match, Lily?
Yes.
Oh.
What?
Perfect. All done. Yeah. Good job. High five. Nice. So $75.90 right here on deck 7. There's a laundrette in here. Bunch of laundry facilities. You can purchase softener or detergent, and they've got washers and dryers, and then you just pay. And in the mobile app, it'll give you notifications for when your laundry is ready to be changed out. So that's pretty cool. That way you can go get your stuff done. The pool was pretty nice. It was probably mid-50s, but actually the pools were really nice and warm, so that was awesome. And we grabbed some lunch at the quick service here by the, it's like a, oh, what is it called? Boiler Bites. At Boiler Bites. So we got some hot dogs and hamburgers, and now we're gonna head to the spa and get a massage. Hi, how are you?
Alaska.
Very cool.
After Alaska, New Zealand, Australia.
So this won't happen again, probably. Wow. This is gonna be awesome.
Nice and warm?
Oh yeah, that's really
Or
nice.
you want it to...
It's nice and, just gonna get something of the water being poured. So it looks fancy. And that was a very good massage. Yeah? Yeah. Cheers.
Hi,
Hi, Minnie. Hello. Oh. Lily, say hi.
Hi.
Lily, say hi.
For a royal ball, don't you think? Oh my God.
Look, we got a note from an Imagineer. That's awesome. And we're leaving Catalina. It's been an awesome day so far. We had an awesome massage, went back to the room and got ready, and now we're heading to Animators Palate for dinner. Animators Palate. Come on, Grayson, let's go. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at this place. Oops, say hello. Wow, this place is really nice. Yeah, honey, come on. We have some at our table. Wow. This restaurant's really awesome. We'll ask the server if we can keep it, okay? We're at our table now. And they have these menus. You're supposed to draw something here, and they're going to animate it on the screens later. That's gonna be awesome.
This table number here.
This is my drawing of Grayson. I can't wait to see them animate it.
Oh, hi folks! Aw, gosh, thanks for all the great drawings. These are just what I need to whip up a little animation magic.
Wow, this is the truffle appetizer and the salmon tartare.
Sliced serrano ham, I think is what it was.
Serrano ham. Yum!
Oh, thank you.
And here is the potato soup.
Hi folks, it's me again. Just want to remind you, we've got a big surprise coming up soon. Oh!
I got the chicken with the mashed potatoes, and also the penne bolognese, or bolognese. Looks delicious.
Beef tenderloin.
And the beef tenderloin.
She said this is our
Oh, there's Daddy's! There's ours!
That's all of ours. Oh, that's Grayson.
They're
bringing it.
Ice
You just said
box
that.
cake. And the sundae. Dinner was definitely one of my favorites tonight, and now the kids are at the kids club and we're just gonna go check things out. So let's go have a look. So now we're hanging out at Signals in the 18+ area. It's the Cove Pool, and there's a bar just right in front over here. So got a blanket on because it's pretty cold. Now we're just gonna relax.